What are we doing today?
I'm gonna be changing my tail lights. Excuse the mess inside the trunk.
Look at all that junk in the trunk.
Yeah, I got a lot of junk in my trunk.
Taking out these soggy stock ones and putting these ones in?
Yep.
Oh, snap, dog.
So it should be a quick and easy job.
Should be.
Alright, so all you need to do, well, all you need really is ratchet and something to pry out these plastic clips with. There should be four, just four. One right here, one right there, and the same thing on the other side. One on top, of course I'm missing one, and then one on the bottom. So I got to just pop it. Should be easy peasy, lemon, motherfucking squeezy.
Alright, so you got the pops off, now what?
So you got the clips off. All you gotta do now is lift up, and it should be able to come right off. Like that. Magic. Right.
What's back here now? Some 10s?
Yeah. All you need,
two?
10 ratchet, preferably the long socket.
Yeah, you're like a 7, maybe a 6. Still a ratchet, but...
Yeah. Living that ratchet life, man. Oh look, someone came to join us.
Are you gonna fix this light over there? Okay, I'll put it right here for you. Alright, can you fix it? You need your goggles and stuff? Fix it. Oh, dude, thanks so much. It's gonna be perfect soon. Keep fixing. Good job. Alright, so you got two 10s?
Two 10s. There's one right here.
Uh-huh.
And one in the back here. Okay. The headlight.
Yeah.
Same thing. Or, my bad, tail light.
Tail light?
Yeah.
This is the butt. This is the butt of your car.
Oops.
You gonna help too, bud?
Okay.
Once you have those off, go ahead and unplug all these.
How many clips are there, dude?
Should be 4 in total.
4 in total?
Yep, 4 clips total.
Alright.
There. And last one. This one's the hardest one to get, but shouldn't be too difficult if you know how to work it. But it's usually a pain in the ass. Might need a flathead or something flat to hold the tab down while you pull it.
Yeah, don't stab your finger.
Right?
Oh, there we go.
And for the other side. Excuse me, Nixon. Bud. Actually, if you want to stand right here in the middle, you can still see. So same thing on this side. 4 connectors.
Cool, now what, you just pop them out?
Yep. Should just pop right out. Unclip a couple of these, no, just this one actually.
The big one?
Yeah. And the rest should just be pulling out the tail light.
You're not making this look easy.
I know.
There we go.
It's a pain in the ass. Of course. Oh.
There you go. Don't forget to change your taillight fluid.
I do that.
Oh, and there goes the tail light.
Here's a bulb.
Now, it would be good to install the one again.
That's the wrong one, dude. The right goes on the right, the left goes on the one with the L is the left.
Oh, I thought it was the other one.
If you
feel so inclined, you can.
Reuse the bulbs? What's up, bud?
I'll buy it. Skateboard.
You gonna ride that skateboard?
Yeah.
Okay, go. What is it? Blinkers? Blankers?
Your blankers.
All right, so you got fresh blinker fluid in there now? All right. All right, finally got all the wires in. We had to leave this one hanging, which is okay though. It's got the weather seal there. Leave it hanging, tighten these 10s, make sure it doesn't fall out, and then we'll test it to see what it looks like. All right, so the wires were a little mixed up, so we had to change. That over there is the main LED rings that controls the brakes and your taillights. This, no idea. I don't know, everything's plugged back in.
This one, wait no, the green one stayed the same because that is the hazard
blinkers.
Lights. Yeah, the blinkers.
Blinkers is the green one. This one here is your reverse. And that must be your, oh, side markers. Okay. Cool, yeah, it took a little bit longer than we thought, but it looks good. Go do it really quick. All right, brakes, reverse, brakes, blinker, turn it off, turn off your lights. Perfect. Cool. All right, everything's good. And that's a wrap for us. Good night. Thanks for watching, subscribe. And we still haven't had one easy job on any of the cars, so.
Not a single one.
So this is kind of expected. Good night.